of week 1. You've seen this 100 chart this week. We're going to use our secret compass to help us find 10, 20, and 30 more than 54. And what makes this a Math Thinking Thursday is we're going to critique Dayton. Dayton thinks that 20 more than 54 is 34, and we're going to find out if he's correct. We're going to be able to write a statement to answer these questions. So right up here at the top, we can use our 100 chart to help us, or if you already know how to mentally, because that is our goal, mentally know 10 more, 20 more, and 30 more, we're going to fill in the blanks. So it says use the 100 chart below to answer the following question and use the compass or secret compass as a guide. So the number we are dealing with today is 54. So I'm going to highlight 54 right here. And I am dealing with the word more. And I have tens. So that means I'm going to go downward on the compass. So here, 10 more than 54. 10 more, I would just go down 1. That would be 64. 20 more than 54, starting with the same number. 10 and 10 more would be 74. And 30 more than 54, 10, 20, 30 is 84. So for those of us who may not need to use the hundredths chart anymore, and you just know to look at the place value, we know that 10 more, if we look at the tens place, would just be 60. Here, 20 more, 50 plus 20 would be 70. 30 more, tens place, 30 more would be 80. My ones place stays the same each time. Awesome. Down here to critique means that you're checking someone else. You're either telling them that they're right, you're telling them that they're wrong, and you're explaining why they are right, or you're explaining why they are wrong. So here we have Dayton, who thinks that 20 more than 54 is 34. This is his thought process. This is what Dayton thinks, and we're critiquing his thinking. So we want to find out, is Dayton correct? If not, how can he use the compass to help him with his answer? So Dayton thinks that 20 more than 54 is 34. So we already see here that 20 more than 54 is 74. So we have to think, how could Dayton have gotten 34? Well, let's look at where 34 is on this 100 chart. 34 is right here. 54 is where he was supposed to start. So he went this way, 10, 20. 10, 20. And if I look at my secret compass, I would go that way to subtract 10. But we are not. So here we can see from part 1, is Dayton correct? No. Dayton is not correct. How can he use the compass to help him with his answer? Dayton thought 20 more than 54 was 34. He subtracted 20. On the compass, Dayton should have gone downward, or we could just say gone down on the hundredths chart. 20 more than 54 is 74. Now, you might have worded this differently. The things you just want to make sure, and this is a great skill for testing, a great skill just in life to be able to answer questions. You want to make sure you answered the question. So the question was, is Dayton correct? We answered. The next part is, how can he use the compass to help him? So as long as you answered those two questions, then you know that you answered this correctly. And you know that it was a Thinking Thursday. Wow. That was our first time critiquing someone else and critiquing someone else's work. So next week on Thinking Thursday, you'll be able to do something just like this. And you want to make sure that you answer the questions. You've got it. See you tomorrow. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.